Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Where we review the latest gadgets and gizmos on our review of the top 5 best electric pressure cookers in 2024. Discover the latest innovations and features that make these cookers stand out. Stay tuned till the end to find out which model offers a unique feature that could revolutionize your cooking experience. I always make video top 5 product. If you want more information and the most up-to-date pricing on the products I mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description. If you want to see more of our content, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you never miss an update from us. So without delay, let's start to the video. Number 5. The Crock-Pot Large 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker. This sleek, black stainless steel beauty promises to make your cooking experience easier and more enjoyable. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Cooking capacity. First up, let's talk about the cooking capacity. This crock-pot can prepare food for over 10 people, making it perfect for holiday dinners or large gatherings. Whether you're cooking a hearty stew or a tender roast, this slow cooker has you covered with its generous 8-quart capacity. Digital timer. Next, the digital timer is a game changer. It counts down cooking time up to 20 hours, allowing you to monitor your meal with ease. No more guessing games, just set it and forget it. This feature ensures your food is cooked to perfection every time. Auto warm setting. One of my favorite features is the auto warm setting. Once your meal is done cooking, the crock-pot automatically switches to warm mode. This keeps your food at the optimal serving temperature without overcooking it. It's perfect for those busy days when you can't serve dinner right away. Easy cleanup. Cleanup is a breeze with this slow cooker. The removable lid and stoneware pot are both dishwasher safe, making post-meal cleanup quick and easy. No more scrubbing pots and pans, just pop them in the dishwasher and you're done. Included recipes. Lastly, the included cookbook is a fantastic bonus. It comes with a variety of recipes to inspire your culinary creativity. From classic comfort foods to new and exciting dishes, this cookbook has something for everyone. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Crock-Pot Large 8-Quart Programmable Slow Cooker is a must-have for any kitchen. Its large capacity, digital timer, auto warm setting, easy cleanup, and included recipes make it a versatile and convenient appliance. Number 4. The Ninja FD302 Foodi 11-in-1 Pro. This amazing kitchen gadget promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. Let's explore its features, performance, and why it might be the perfect addition to your kitchen. Section 1. Tender Crisp Technology. First up, let's talk about the Tender Crisp technology. This feature combines the best of pressure cooking and air frying. It locks in juices quickly with pressure cooking, then swaps lids for a golden, crispy finish. Imagine perfectly cooked, juicy chicken with a crispy skin every time. Section 2. Cooking for large groups. Next, the Ninja Foodi is perfect for large gatherings. The 6.5-quart nonstick cooking pot can fit up to a 5-pound chicken or a 6-pound roast. Whether you're hosting a family dinner or a party, this appliance ensures you can cook enough food for everyone without any hassle. Section 3. Air frying capacity. Now, let's discuss its air frying capabilities. The 4.6-quart Cook Crisp plate allows you to make up to 3 pounds of hand-cut French fries with up to 75% less fat than traditional frying methods. Enjoy your favorite fried foods guilt-free with this fantastic feature. Section 4. Versatility and functions. The Ninja Foodi boasts 11 programmable cooking functions, including pressure cook, air fry, steam, slow cook, yogurt, sear/saute, bake/roast, broil, dehydrate, sous vide, and keep warm. This versatility means you can prepare a wide variety of dishes with just one appliance, saving both time and space. Section 5. Additional features. Lastly, the stainless steel nesting broil rack adds even more functionality. It allows you to steam, broil, and add an extra layer of capacity to your cooking. Plus, the 45 recipe cookbook provides endless inspiration for delicious meals. The non-stick parts are dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Conclusion: in conclusion, the Ninja FD302 Foodi 11-in-1 Pro is a game-changer for any kitchen. Its versatility, large capacity, and innovative features make it a must-have for anyone who loves to cook. If you enjoyed this review. Number 3. The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1. This versatile appliance promises to revolutionize your cooking experience. Let's explore its features, benefits, and why it might be the perfect addition to your kitchen. 1. Versatility. The Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 is a true multitasker. It combines 10 functions in one device: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice/grain cooker, steamer, sauté pan, sous vide, yogurt maker, sterilizer, food warmer, and cake baker. This means you can replace multiple appliances, saving both space and money. 2. Premium Inner Pot. One standout feature is the premium cookware-grade inner pot with stay-cool silicone handles. This pot is not only durable but also allows you to transfer it directly from the Instant Pot to your stovetop. It's perfect for sautéing ingredients before pressure cooking, adding convenience to your cooking process. 3. Programmable settings. The Instant Pot Pro offers 5 programmable settings for your favorite recipes. Whether you're cooking a family meal or meal prepping for the week, these customizable settings ensure consistent results every time. Plus, the included app provides access to over 800 recipes, making meal planning a breeze. For safety features, safety is a top priority with the Instant Pot Pro. It includes overheat protection, a safe locking lid, and an upgraded gentle steam release switch with a diffusing cover. These features reduce noise and prevent splashing, ensuring a safe and pleasant cooking experience. 5. The family-friendly. With a 6-quart capacity, the Instant Pot Pro is ideal for growing families or batch cooking. You can prepare meals for up to 6 people, making it perfect for family dinners or meal prepping. The included accessories, like the extra sealing ring and stainless steel steamer rack, add even more value. Conclusion: in conclusion, the Instant Pot Pro 10-in-1 is a versatile, convenient, and safe addition to any kitchen. Its multifunctionality, premium inner pot, programmable settings, and family-friendly capacity make it a must-have for home cooks. If you're looking to simplify your cooking routine, this appliance is definitely worth considering. Number 2. The Breville Fast Slow Pro Pressure Cooker BPR 700 BSS. This brushed stainless steel beauty promises to make your cooking experience faster and easier. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Design and build quality. First off, the design. The Breville Fast Slow Pro boasts a sleek brushed stainless steel finish that looks great in any kitchen. Its compact dimensions, 12.5 by 13.5 by 14 inches, make it easy to store. The removable cooking bowl with PTFE and PFOA-free ceramic coating ensures durability and easy cleaning. User-friendly features. One of the standout features is the color-changing LCD. It tells you when the cooker is pressurizing, cooking, or releasing steam. The full feedback LCD display also includes a pressure indicator, temperature, countdown timer, and steam release indicator, making it incredibly user-friendly and informative. Safety features. Safety is a top priority with the Breville Fast Slow Pro. It comes with a 3-way safety system, including a safety locking lid, automatic hands-free steam release, and a safety valve. These features ensure that you can cook with peace of mind, knowing that the appliance is designed to prevent accidents. Cooking performance. With 11 pressure cook settings and a custom setting, this cooker can handle a variety of recipes. The 8 pressure levels, ranging from 1.5 psi to 12 psi, allow for precise cooking. Plus, the keep warm function ensures your food stays ready. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Breville Fast Slow Pro Pressure Cooker BPR 700 BSS is a versatile and reliable kitchen companion. Its user-friendly features, robust safety measures, and excellent cooking performance make it a great addition to any kitchen. If you're looking for a pressure cooker that does it all, this might be the one for you. Number 1. The Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Electric Pressure Cooker. This versatile appliance promises to make cooking easier and more enjoyable. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Section 1, 9-in-1 functionality. The Instant Pot Duo Plus is a true multitasker. It combines 9 functions in one device: pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, sterilizer, and food warmer. This means you can replace multiple kitchen gadgets with just one, saving both space and money. Section 2, improved stress-free venting. One standout feature is the improved stress-free venting system. The easy-release steam switch makes releasing steam safer and simpler. Plus, it automatically resets when the lid is closed, ensuring you don't have to worry about it. This feature adds a layer of convenience and safety to your cooking experience. Section 3, real-time feedback. The Instant Pot Duo Plus offers real-time feedback with its easy-to-read display. The full cooking progress bar lets you know exactly what stage your meal is at. This feature is incredibly helpful for planning your cooking time and ensuring your dishes come out perfectly every time. Section 4, quick one-touch cooking. With 15 customizable smart programs, the Instant Pot Duo Plus makes cooking a breeze. Whether you're making ribs, soups, beans, rice, poultry, yogurt, or desserts, there's a program for it. The one-touch cooking feature simplifies meal prep, making it accessible even for beginners. Section 5, versatile inner cooking pot. The food-grade stainless steel cooking pot with a tri-ply bottom ensures even cooking and prevents spinning during sautéing. It's durable and easy to clean, making it a practical choice for everyday use. The pot's design enhances the overall cooking experience, delivering consistent results. In conclusion, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 electric pressure cooker is a fantastic addition to any kitchen. Its multifunctionality, improved venting, real-time feedback, quick one-touch cooking, and versatile inner pot make it a must-have for anyone looking to simplify their cooking process. I hope you found this video helpful. And if so, please leave a thumbs up, as I always appreciate that. Also, please feel free to leave a comment suggesting future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you sub, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Welcome to our The Review Factor family. We've got lots more videos coming your way. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.